Hi everyone, this is my 1994 Jaguar XJ6 and I'm gonna replace the EGR valve, the exhaust gas recirculation valve. I found this one on eBay for $15. Yeah, you heard me right, $15, 1 and 5, $15. Looks like an exact fit. The only difference is that this vacuum nipple for the vacuum hose, it's not gonna face 12 o'clock, but it's gonna face like this way, like 7 or 8 o'clock. And I have to loosen the two 13mm nuts to remove the valve and remove the vacuum valve, the vacuum hose, and this is how it's gonna fit, and this is not gonna be a problem. This is the original valve. It has a lot of carbon at the tip and it looks like it's stuck in an open position. I don't know if you guys can see it, but yeah, this is not moving. And this is a new one. This is exactly the same fitment. And a vacuum hose. That's it. Well, now I have to put the two 13mm nuts back, tighten them, and the job is done. And this is not a Jaguar valve. This is a GM product. This is the part number of the valve, EGV 672, and it's a perfect fitment, and it cost me $15, less than $15, $14 and 48 or 50 cents, something like that.